What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Nomad King channel. I'm James Showers, cleanest name in the biz, and today we're going to be doing a boot review. I ordered a pair of Nomad boots from White's Boots a couple months back. They showed up today. Decided to open up my pair just for you guys on camera. Let's check out what I think and all that good stuff. Grab your acorns, sit back, let's enjoy the show. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Nomad King channel. I'm James Showers, cleanest name in the biz, and today we're opening my White's boots. I ordered these about a month and a half, 2 months ago, and they finally arrived. They are a pair of Nomads, and I'm excited to check them out. So let's see what they sent me. Okay. Boom, look at that. Authentic White's boots. I wanted a nice pair of boots that I could wear outside of work. So I got to pick these guys up. Alright. Pretty sure is that what I ordered? I can't even remember what I ordered when I was there. I think I ordered this style with this boot.
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. This looks big for some reason.
Yeah, it looks pretty big.
Yeah, there you go. It's a slip-on Nomad. And I got this mini Vibram sole. And just kind of their standard heel. It kind of looks like a Santa Claus boot, but I think it'll look cool once your pant leg's over the top of it. Now, they don't have steel toe or nothing. These are the hand stitch. They do have like a cycle boot line that are kind of like these riding boots too, but they are made on one of the machines, like the Macaw machines. Yes.
Am I not recording the entire time?
Nope, you're recording.
Okay.
Sorry, everybody, we're back. She's recording, and yeah, this is what we got going on here. These are the Nomads. Basically got them the way they looked up on the shelf. I thought they looked pretty nice. They smell good. Smells like nice, some leather. Got some. Is there like a sole put in there? That's weird. Is this just to see if you want one? You can have a sole. Maybe I'll try it out. I don't know. Normally I just deal with the leather, and it's been pretty nice. But yeah, they got soles cut out, so that's cool. These are pretty big. Lately, I've been wearing my shoes without my laces tied. Anyways, I'm actually excited for this pair of boots. How about we try them on? They look pretty good. Any defects? She made a sale. Trash market, everybody. She's got some boots listed online, so yeah, they got White's boots stamped in the front here. I like this. Nice double stitch all the way down here. Looks good. Pretty smooth. Kind of got this logger look right here, like a lot of my other boots. A lower rise. It doesn't have as much tread, but this should be good for just walking around the town. Let's throw these things on. See how they feel. All right. So got some socks on here. We're gonna try these on with the inserts that they sent. Pretty nice snug fit. Actually feel pretty good. These were $600, or actually $650, which I thought was a little steep since they don't have any kind of lacing or extra parts, and they don't have a steel toe. Yeah, I just think it's slightly overpriced, maybe just because they're a riding boot. And this right here, oh, this doesn't even get tight. I almost want to put another hole in there. See, right now, that's just for show at this point. Let's see, what about this one? Same with this one. It's not really going to get tight. So, I mean, it's supposed to be kind of sitting loose, but I thought you'd be able to cinch it up a little bit more on your foot. But I think they'd be nice just for wearing out on the town. I should have grabbed some jeans. As you can hear, my throat's raspy, getting over a cold right now. But I got these boots in the mail today, and I was excited to open them up. Figured I can't open up my new whites without showing you guys. So now I've got a pair from Whites, Nick's, and Frank's. So hopefully I can actually give a how stupid does it look with the gym pants over it. But you know, you can kind of get an idea of how they'd look with some jeans or something over the top. Maybe we'll throw some jeans on actually. Alright, this is what they look like with a pair of jeans right here. I think they're just gonna look, you know, it's coming into winter. It's fall. It's gonna be winter. I think it'd be nice to have a pair of shoes or a pair of boots that I can wear out. I do like the way these handcrafted boots feel when I'm stepping in them. So I figured I'd get a pair for when I'm not at work. They feel pretty good with the insoles in there. Kind of a little bit softer. I'll probably wear them just with the straight leather, but I think they look pretty cool. I'll probably grow them. It's just so smooth. It's just so weird not seeing the laces going on there, but it'll be cool to have a slip on. And then I can give a somewhat of a accurate description between the 3 different boot companies. I'll probably be sending in a few boots to be repaired, and I'll send them to each one of the companies and, you know, give a review on how well each company did. So we'll be wearing these out probably on the weekends, so as they break in, I'll keep you guys updated. This was kind of a sporadic last minute video. I know a lot of you boot guys enjoy these videos. If you do like this video, hey, hit the like button, subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below. I do answer most all comments. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think. Think I spent too much? I kind of feel like I spent a little too much on these, but I don't know. I think they'll still be worth it, breaking them in. And like I said, I wanted to get a pair of whites, so we'll see how these guys feel. Let me walk around in them. I mean, they're not too bad. I feel like they might not be tight enough, to tell you the truth. Like, the boots that I remember trying on were a lot tighter. These ones, my feet, like, basically almost slip out of them, to tell you the truth. I feel like if these wear in anymore, like, they're gonna be really loose. So I wonder if they got the right size. I don't know. I might have to try them for a little bit. It's just a lot of money to put down on some shoes if they're, you know, a little loose. I feel like I could, you know, see what I mean? Like a lot of play in there. I figured they'd be a little tighter. Just because of the... Alright. Let me take this out. Let me see if it's because of this. Yeah, see, I don't know. I don't think they fitted me right. I thought I had a tighter boot when I went there. These things kind of feel big around my foot, you know? I mean, look at all that extra leather. Aren't these things supposed to be a little tighter? My feet didn't shrink. Maybe that's why they threw the insoles in there, because they got the wrong size and thought that maybe they just like tighten it up a little. Well, maybe we'll be sending these back. Oh well. Well, there's your boot video. So I'll keep you posted. I'll let you know if I decide to send these things back. I'm kind of disappointed right now. They're just they're just way too loose. If I keep these things, I mean, my whole foot can be balled up in there. I mean, look at how much extra leather that's going on right there. Wow. I don't know. Did they just majorly mess up my size or what? They just have like I mean, it only didn't take them very long. Did they already just have some of these built and like made one and sent one out to me or something? Not too thrilled with that right now. Not to mention the experience wasn't very like, I don't know. What'd you think when we went there and got my boots fitted?
It's not like custom boot. It's really quick. Beep, beep, beep. You go.
Yeah, the kid really didn't know too much about the boots. He brought me out a different pair of boots to try, to size, right? And I was like, oh, these ones felt pretty good in the store, and they were like nice and fitted. And I thought he was saying that you kind of wanted them snug so you can kind of like break in, but these ones are completely loose. So, I mean, they look kind of cool, but damn, I don't know if they're really worth $650. You know what I mean? What are you thinking? I mean, kind of. I mean, they're all right, but they're just kind of like definitely not. I mean, they definitely need to be tighter because when the boot breaks in, like it's, you know, that leather's gonna stretch out a little bit, and if it's loose right now, I don't know. Hey guys, comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think that you do in this situation. You got a bunk pair of boots. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. Obviously gonna have to call White's and send them and see if I can send these boots back or something. So, alright, well that was this review. Maybe I should have just stuck with Frank since they got my size right and my boots fit good. Alright, see you on the next one.